How to turn off Steam Client Webhelper. Now, if you have it installed on your current PC and laptop, here's how you can do it, or here's how you can disable or turn it off. First things first is make sure that your Steam client is open up or up and running, and ensure that you're logged into your account. So the first troubleshooting step is by going into the Steam icon at the top left and access your Steam settings. Now in here, what you want to do is to go into interface and then just simply turn this field off that says run Steam when my computer starts, and then head back into the left side, go to Endgame, and then under delete web browser data, choose on delete. It will automatically delete all Steam browser cached files, cookies, and history from your Steam client. Next thing to do is once your Steam is already up and running, just go into your task manager and then make sure that you're on the processes option. Below that is going to be background processes. Click anywhere in this field and hit on S on your keyboard. And once you find the Steam Client Webhelper, just simply end task on that. To do that, click on Steam Client Webhelper, right click and choose on end task and relaunch your Steam client. That's it. That's how you turn off Steam Client Webhelper.